Hi friends, I'm Abhi from Awesome Parenting, and I hope you have been watching my YouTube videos on parenting and something would have changed in your heart and mind in terms of parenting. And today I'm going to talk on a series of I would say videos which is about building blocks for awesome kids, right? And why this topic has come of building blocks for awesome kids because look at the current education system, our current education system, whether it's online schooling happening right now or the physical schooling, which was there in which kids used to go to school and bus and there was tiffin and there was lunch box, school bag, recess, everything. The entire environment of physical schooling, or I would say going to classroom was there. But right now, almost last 15 months, it has been online schooling, right? But things haven't changed in terms of still the education system. If you look at our education system, it is currently very linear. That is, you have one particular subject and you have 5 or 10 chapters, you study each chapter, and after each chapter there's a test. That test can be a weekly test, a monthly test, or a 3 month test. You have to understand, memorize, and most of the time it is not actually understanding, it is memorizing and just reproduction, a reproduction of what you have learned into that particular exam, which is 1 month or 3 month, and you get grades, ranks, and your particular numbers basis that how best you can reproduce what you have understood. So in this system what has happened is everyone, I mean, all of us have gone through this currently, I would say, linear education system. There's a subject, there's a chapter, you memorize, and there's an exam. So there isn't life like this. And when you go actually in life, which is maybe after 10th or 12th or engineering, graduation, arts, commerce, whichever field, and we're actually jumping that water of life, jumping into the water of life. Life is not linear. Life is not linear. Life is non-linear. Life is complex. And suddenly you realize that, oh, I haven't studied this particular aspect in my schooling. Nobody ever taught me this. I realized that yes, this is something missing. These blocks are not there in my life, and that's why this topic has been simmering in my mind. In fact, last couple of years, that in spite of we having the so-called best education system, but actually when you enter that so-called life or we jump into that river or sea of life, then suddenly we are quite confused, right? I hope this resonates with you, and that's why I'm going to do a series of YouTube videos on building blocks for awesome kids, right? And awesome kids, I mean, not only they're good in academics or in the chosen field, but important is they have a lot of other attributes which I'm going to discuss. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, press the button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk on the 7 attributes. Attribute number 1, which is maybe so simple, but I think this is the right time, parents. This is the right time, parents, for you to get into this habit, and this habit which you want should instill in your kids is the habit of journaling. What is journaling? You have a nice diary. You have a nice diary, and kids start writing in that diary about what is they loved about the day, how the day went, right? What are those three or two, in fact, three things which they think they did well. Maybe they solved a maths problem well. Maybe they read some 5 pages from a book, or maybe they helped the sibling. Any good three things which happened in the day, they can write. And when you start, and mind you, my dear parent, if you are not into the habit of journaling, buy two diaries, one for your kids, one for you or spouse. Journaling is considered one of the best qualities for successful leaders, entrepreneurs, businessmen, because you know why? There are three reasons why the habit of journaling, that is writing in your diary or journal, makes sense. Number one, it makes you to think. When at the end of the day, maybe it's 9:30 or 10 o'clock, you're going to write, your kid is going to write that what went well in today's day, one thing, three things your kid is going to think upon, right? The thinking is something which we are not doing, in the current education system. Whatever thinking is there, mostly is because there is a particular chapter you have to study and you have to think on that. We are not actually going beyond this. So when you write a journal and write that these are things I did well today, these are things I learned today, you do what? You instill the habit of thinking in your kid. And second is, with thinking, what happens is that you improve, your child improves, and you improve the quality of introspection, quality of introspection, right? Because all said and done, we are trying to understand the world, everything outside happening in the world, but we need to understand inside also. And this habit of journaling helps you in good introspection. And last and third is what? When you write something about yourself which is good, you have learned how you felt, what happens is you actually end the day in a very good note that this is what I did well, and this is where I think, and when you actually realize that this is a pattern of you doing good things, what happens? You realize that this is that thing which is keeping me motivated. So, point number three, when you start writing good things, things you've learned, things you understood, and all those things which made that day special or made that day memorable, then you start motivating yourself, inspiring yourself, and those are the things, right? So to conclude, attribute number one which you should look at for building blocks in awesome kit is the habit of journaling, habit of writing something good which has happened. And the best way I would suggest is, once first obviously is give a diary to your kid, and second is maybe post dinner, the day is done, 9:30, 10 o'clock before sleeping, they can write, and it can be a beautiful experience. And when you go through it, you'll find fantastic things which have happened in life, right? I hope you like this video, the first video in terms of series of videos on building blocks for awesome kids, right? And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also giving a sharing a link to join my VIP Facebook group where I share also content on parenting, because I'm on a mission to have awesome kids and awesome parents. And awesome parents are one who are engaged with their kids and giving their best to their kids. And awesome kids are, they are not only good in their chosen field like in the academics, but good on various aspects. And those various aspects are the building blocks, right? See you. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video.